And as you'll see happen several times a day, drawbridge has gone up, and we have a barge floating through, chugging its way through. Since it is the early morning commute, we will see quite a few people on bikes lining up, waiting for the drawbridge to come back down. Looks like this barge is carrying sand. No doubt essential for some of the paver work going on in the area. In the churn of the water behind the barge, the seagulls are looking for an easy meal. Clearly the churn of the props causes some form of chaos, and sure enough, there we go, successful. Got a fish or two. All good fun, and you can see the large number of people on bikes lining up on either side of the bridge. The bridge is starting to come down now. As you can tell, it doesn't take but a couple minutes. Barge makes its way through. And folks can go about their day. And the arms come up, and we have our steady stream of people on bikes, a handful of cars, people walking, off to school, off to work. And the seagulls are still quite happy. Bye guys. Have a good day.